Hey everybody, we are here today to change out the old Rheem heat pump. We got it all removed. Here's the old condenser. Come down. Here's the old air handler. Here's the original manual for it. The electric heaters. There's a look inside. It's pretty moldy. Somebody put a new motor in it at one point. The new unit is set in place. Trying to get it all hooked up. All right, we are pulling the vacuum. It's looking nice. And there it is. All up and running. In the heating mode. Here it is, all done inside. Moving on. We're gonna have to come back and change out the pump, and we are going to put in a float switch. So that's that. Put on a nice new Honeywell thermostat, and that'll be it.